Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The pound rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US and European stocks mostly rallied, with the S&P 500 trading just above bear market territory, while the euro jumped after the European Central Bank said it was likely to lift its deposit rate out of the negative territory by September. Bithumb and Upbit, two of the biggest South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges, have issued warnings on Litecoin, LTC, over confidential transactions performed on its latest update. Google's Waze Mobile and Samsung Electronics convinced a US appeals court to move separate patent lawsuits against them over map technology from East Texas Federal Court to Northern California.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0600 hours GMT, Finland's producer price index at 0500 hours GMT, the Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT, the US new home sales at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.